Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to answer to the question, that is, how old do you have to be to have Twitter? So to begin with, let's go for the help center, which you can access by opening this drop down sliding menu and going into the aforementioned help center. In order for me to find the answer to the question that I'm looking for, I'll just use the search over here and try to type in some keywords. So let's say age. As you can see by this little text over here, the Twitter requires people using the service to be at least 13 years of age. And from the age of 13 to the age of consent, you will need the parental consent sometimes to use Twitter. So I hope that answered your question, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.